Hello, this is me again for this third video for January 2023, and it's still building, and right now it's about 10:40 in the morning. We're almost near like the afternoon time, and boy, they've been here for quite a long time. Yeah, probably put some friggin' go-karts in there. They're actually measuring it, yep. They're actually doing like their good jobs or something like that. That was my woods over there until these pricks took it over. Excuse me with the language. I think they're putting on like a black tape or something. I can't wait for when this is all over so I can move on. That was my old area. That's why we've been start doing the videotaping of this since they chopped down trees in 2021, about 2 years. I wish they get the hell out of here. Yep, for what they friggin' did for the friggin' city. At least they didn't chop any more trees. They learn how to fix the sidewalk. We're almost near like 10:45 or something like that. Yep. Sorry I was not here sooner. I was taking care of things, like I had to go out with my dad and checking how his personal business on the computer. Hopefully when I get back from taking care of things, I might be doing this again before I make my third blast off. And let's hope they leave later. So I hope you enjoyed this third video for January 18, 2023. And please try to comment, subscribe, or ring the bell if you like any of the previous videos that I made during these past 2 weeks. And so I'll catch you more updates later, and I gotta go now, and we'll see you later. Bye.